guys, welcome back to my channel Ahana's Wonderworld. Today I am making Schezwan noodles for my mother and let's get started. So guys, we need some soya sauce, Schezwan sauce, butter, noodles, an egg. If you want, you can add some eggs, chopped onions and garlics. You can also put vegetables of your choice. I don't like that many vegetables, that's why I just put onion and garlic. So let's start. So guys, first we're gonna take a pan and add oil in it, and first we're gonna let it get hot. The oil should get hot. Then we should add an egg and scramble it all up for the noodles. Scramble it very nicely so that you can put it in the noodles. You should also add a little bit of salt. Now we have to add some butter in a pan. Now we have to add the garlic in slowly. We have to add the garlic. And then we have to move it around in the butter. You have to stir fry it in the butter nicely. So now when the nice flavor of the garlic comes, we have to add the onion and stir fry it with the garlic. I use one onion and one whole garlic. If you're making more Maggi, then you can add some more. Add some salt to give some flavor. Now once the onion is soft, you have to add the Maggi masala for taste. And the soya sauce. Mix it all together, and then you have to add 1 spoon of Schezwan sauce. If you like spicy, then you can add more. If you don't, you can just add 1 or 2. And yeah. Mix it well. Then after the masala is cooked, you have to add 1 cup of water. Mix it. Then lastly, you have to add the Maggi. Now you have to close it and let it rest. So So now here's how the Maggi looks after 5 minutes. We're gonna let it cook for some time. Then we're gonna add the egg. Now lastly, we have to add the egg. Mix this all up. Mix this all up. And this is the end of my recipe. Please try this at home and please like, share, subscribe and ring the notification bell to support us for more videos. And bye.